Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you?
Good, ma'am.
Good?
And ma'am, my plant has started to grow leaves, ma'am.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, yeah. That's nice. Can you show us your plant?
Almost. 1 second, ma'am.
Ma'am, you had a marriage, right?
Sorry, Amila?
Yesterday you had a marriage, right?
Yes, yesterday I had a marriage. I was wondering and see my eyes. I didn't sleep.
Oh, that's why you have a black circle.
That's why I have a black circle. Hi, Lazel. Hi, Helena.
I miss.
What's the update on your plant?
Ma'am, 1 second. I will remove my background, but I can't turn it unless it is good. Ma'am, here is this, ma'am.
Milan?
Ma'am, do we
Wow.
have to put our plants on the bowl?
Ma'am, look at
No,
this.
you
The
can
leaves have
keep
started to
anywhere.
grow.
Milan, take a photo and upload it in the classroom signs.
Ma'am, mine started to like sprout.
Okay, can you show us? Everyone should bring your plant.
Ma'am,
Let's see the update.
Mine is still
ma'am, I will take the photo now because when my plant has before grow, I did not took the picture.
Okay. Yes, Milan.
Is that fine, ma'am?
That's fine.
Okay, ma'am. 1 second. Can I take a photo?
Yes, Milan. And Laser, it is sprouting, right?
No, it's still germany.
Okay, Helena's is sprouting. Good job,
Ma'am,
Helena.
my mine is like this. Ma'am, see, it's germany.
Yeah, I can see that. Ah, see, it is germinating. Amila,
It is sprouting, ma'am.
that sprouting only is called germination.
Oh, okay, okay.
Okay, take a photo, upload this photo, then we'll upload the next stage. You have to take a photo and upload. Everyone?
Yeah, I did take a photo, but I don't know how to. No, I don't. I don't. Ma'am, should I upload like 2 days or every days? Like,
Like first it was seed, then all the stages.
huh?
Did you take a photo of seed?
Yeah, seed. Yeah,
Then did you take a photo of sprouting?
yeah.
So that you have to upload and then upload this one.
Okay.
Helena, did you take a photo of the stages?
No, ma'am. I
Why
did
guys?
it. Ma'am, I did it.
I told you to take a photo, right? Do it then take a photo now. Take a photo now.
Ma'am, I took one photo. Can I show, ma'am?
Yes. Helena and Laser, please take a photo now. Otherwise, you'll forget after this also. Get a phone and take a photo.
Ma'am, I did take a photo. I am trying
Ma'am,
to
is this
upload.
picture fine, ma'am? Is this picture
Yeah, that is
fine?
more than fine. That's looking very nice.
Also, is it fine if my mother helps too?
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, both of my parents are helping me just in case.
That's nice. Just upload it in the classroom, okay?
Okay, ma'am. 1 second. Let me just copy it.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Villains is with buds. Plants with buds.
Melons, plants are sprouting. You can even see the leaves there.
Yeah, look, I can see the small leaf, like round leaf.
By within 2-3 days, it will become big, huge leaves. So no
Okay.
worries.
Yeah, can I say something, ma'am?
Yes.
We did the project like the project. No, not the project.
Ma'am, can I go and drink water, ma'am? Can I go and drink water?
Milan, you
Benefits
know
of the
that water
rainforest.
should be on your table. You can ask your mama to bring it so that you can drink.
Okay, ma'am. 1 second.
No going, Milan. Yes, Amila.
Okay, ma'am. But can I also
I
go to the bathroom before class starts?
Milan, you should know this before actually the class starts, right?
Sorry, ma'am.
Come fast. Yes, Amila.
We did the benefits of the rainforest in Canva.
Ha, you didn't upload it, right?
Yeah, I did upload it.
Did you upload it?
Yeah, I did upload it.
Ma'am, I uploaded it.
Yeah, I did upload it. I did upload.
Ma'am, I uploaded it now.
You have uploaded, okay.
I uploaded it already,
Let
ma'am.
me check. 1 second. Helena, why you so silent?
Yes.
Why are you sitting so silent? Let me check the classroom. Give me 1 second. PYC English, right?
Yeah. What?
Sorry, is it PYA English or Science?
Science. I think it is science. Yeah, it's science.
You have turned it. Ah, good job. 400. That's nice. Seed germination experiment only one has turned in. Others?
Ma'am, one sec. Ma'am, I will Ma'am, I will upload it.
By far only Hazel has turned in. See guys, if you want marks, you know you have to turn it. Otherwise, I cannot give you marks. Helena and Amila,
Ma'am,
you have to turn it. Can you see the seed germination experiment in PYA Science?
Ma'am, the monitor.
Sorry, Hazel.
Monitor thing.
We will check. Give me 2 minutes. 2 minutes, okay?
Ma'am, science, right?
Yes, science.
See germination experiment.
Seed germination experiment. Yes.
Ma'am, by the way, while the first time while it's growing, ma'am, I did not took pictures. Only this 2 day. Is it fine?
Yes, you can do one thing. You can take a picture of seed. Seed will be there in your phone, right?
Yeah.
So take a picture of seed.
Okay, ma'am, I'll do it.